Hey, ready for some legal masala? Today's special, the difference between procedure established by law and due process of law, served fresh in just under 3 minutes. Imagine the Parliament of Kitchens making a law which contains the recipe for biryani. Now imagine a chef, the government, preparing biryani. Procedure established by law says the chef just needs to follow the recipe as laid down by the Parliament. Rice, spices, dum. Chef cannot alter even the sequence. If he does, then the biryani is null and void. But what if the recipe says add rotten eggs instead of saffron? In India's original legal kitchen, if Parliament wrote the recipe, the chef, the government, has to follow it, even if the biryani tastes ridiculous. That's Article 21 for you. Now, here comes due process of law, the picky foodie cousin from the United States. Due process demands, hold on, chef, follow the recipe and make sure no one's adding rotten eggs. With due process, judges get to taste the biryani. If it's unfair or unreasonable, non-tasty, they will send it back to the kitchen. Fairness matters as much as following steps. Parliament of Kitchens needs to modify the recipe then and delete add rotten eggs from the recipe. In India, our constitution says procedure established by law. But did things change in India? Yes. After the Maneka Gandhi v. Union of India 1978, Indian judges became true biryani critics. Now they check, was the recipe followed? And is the biryani actually delicious, actually fair? Procedure established by law protects you against the chef, the government, if the chef has not followed the recipe made by the legislature. The due process of law protects you against the executive as well as the legislature if the recipe made by the legislature is unreasonable, unfair. So wherever you hear rice being cooked up, ask, was the biryani's recipe and the chef both proper? I've explained the difference in detail in a video here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get to learn tasty yet spicy content. Subscribe now.